Hi, I'm Jane and I'm jobless. Welcome to a typical day in my jobless life. Well, maybe a bit exaggerated, but realistic. Let's just say my morning starts whenever I wake up, do a quick prayer, and then I take a pee, which is compulsory, sort out what podcast I want to listen to, and then head to the kitchen. Then I, start working on the dishes. I hate doing dishes, but why eat if you can't do the dishes? And I know some people say, oh, you're supposed to do your dishes in the night before you sleep. Please keep your advice to yourself. That doesn't work in this household. Thank you very much.
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me down. Ego took some big hits, but I rose up just to grow up. Yeah, I'm better. That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort.
If there's one thing I hate so much, has to be a dirty and smelling microwave. Like, you guys clean your microwaves. I hate it. It irritates me so much. Anyways, I'm not going to lie, I don't do this every day. I do it once in a while, and not a bad idea to do it today. That's why I said this whole day in the life of a jobless person is literally exaggerated, but what can I do? Just clean your kitchen, guys. It's so important.
Show me some patience, 'cause I still got a lot of shit to recover from. Still carry all of the drama in my bones. I try, but you'll have to forgive me.
Well, let's just say the next thing we do is just clean the bedroom, make your bed. I'm not one of those people that make my bed every day. I don't even like making bed. It irritates me so much. I don't know how to do it. I know that at this point you're going to feel like everything irritates me. House chores in general irritates the hell out of me. I just wish I can sit down, wake up, and someone would just do all of this and my problems would be taken away from me, honestly. Thinking about it right now, I'm too broke to even hire someone to do all of this for me. So you know what, sis? Get to work.
3, 2, 1. Arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. But understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. Running far away from your history, but there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones.
After a good shower, I go ahead to reply comments on my YouTube channel, and at the same time fill in some details in my description box for the video that was going up on that day while having a little prayer session. Hey guys, so I just got back. I'm not using mic. I hope that this sounds nice. I just got back from the farmers market, so I went to buy stuff for the house. I couldn't carry you guys along because I was trying to rush. It was about to rain. I bought like chicken, I bought goat's meat, I got tomatoes, all those wet ingredients that you get from the market. So yeah, I got them in bulk. I've washed them, put them in the fridge. I'm about to cook up porridge potato, Nigerian style. That's what I want to make today. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Trust me, cleaning and recording is so frustrating, to be honest. I don't think I can do it again. It's just that you guys enjoyed the cleaning video that I did some months back. I'm going to have it linked in the description if you haven't checked that video out, for those that are new, so you can go see it. You guys really loved that video, and I tried to recreate, you know, something like that with this vlog. So yeah, this is typically how I spend most of my days in the week if, you know, I don't have anywhere to go to. I wanted to update you guys. Remember that we have a goal for this year to get to 5,000 subscribers, and we are literally nothing close to it. Absolutely nothing close to 5k. We are literally at 1,400 plus, so that's really poor, and it's already half of the year gone. So in order for us to hit that target, you guys will help me out, like my videos. Let's get this video to 50 likes if possible. I think that will help you to push out, you know, this content more. Most of my videos have about, like my vlogs, they get about 30 something for something like. So if we can give it 50 likes, I think YouTube would help us. Or should we do 100? I mean, if 100 of you that watch this vlog like the video, it will go a long way. Subscribe and thumbs up the video. Let me go and start cooking, guys. I'm stressed out, really stressed out.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams. And I can feel the world changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
I wish you guys can have a taste of this potato porridge. It was so good. I loved it. Am I the only one that can't eat without watching something? I mean, I hope I'm not weird. It was so good. You can see that thumbs up. Yeah, for real. Eating every day is something that is pretty constant in my life. After that, I went downstairs my apartment just to have a breath of fresh air. I don't do this every day, to be honest. Once in like 2 weeks or thereabout. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video so it could reach other people. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.